Yeah, the biggest struggle I find with, so a big part of my work, the big part of the reality mastery program is identity shifting work. And this also entails you taking on a form that you would like to experience. As a result of you taking on a form, you align to a higher principle of reality, the law of variation. Everything is in the process of becoming and being. Now, nothing ever becomes its ultimate potential because it's always in this being state, the I am state. It's constantly, evolving. And with that said, when we ask clients to really think about who it is they would like to become, who they need to become, the character they need to become to achieve their goals, they start to get identified with the characteristics. And that's not what the point of this is at all. You're not supposed to get identified with the characteristics. You embody them in a detached fashion. This is just who Quazi 2.0 is. But in a subtler way, it's like not, you can't really explain this in words, but it's just like, this isn't you. This is an embodiment. There should be a separation. You're wearing a mask. We're wearing a mask to experience this part of reality, that part of reality. When you take all of these masks, you really get into this emptiness, the I am state, like you talked about.
It's like that unique angle on life, on reality. So you are not any of those identities. You can experience any of them. And all those identities come with corresponding worlds.
Exactly.
However, even if you are the most successful person you think you are, like you can be, even that identity, you still are not that. You are the one aware of that identity. You are the one within which that identity is currently being projected.
That would be the most accurate way of describing it. You're aware of this identity. When you're aware of it, you're not identified with it.